Hello and welcome to Nature with Alik. Today I'm going to show you a mistake I did in solution applied by planting of dragon fruit. So as you know in previous videos, I do have multiple locations around my home where I do plant dragon fruit in containers or in soil. So this section currently facing the west side where the usual sunset is going on, and those plants are getting at least, probably 2 to 3 hours a day sun, and it's protected currently by this fence wall, so it doesn't get much sun, but they're really surviving very well and growing, so I'm very happy with it. But I was never expected that relocating this to another area will affect them. So basically this section is getting 2-3 hours a day of the evening sun. This section is getting 2-3 hours a day of during the day sun. So those are usually like between 1 and 4 p.m. and they're pretty good, they're all green. Okay, and I'm gonna show you right now what exactly happened with the plant that I just relocated from here to almost 8 to 10 hours of sun, and it's very, very serious. I don't want you to do the same mistake as I did. Please follow me. Okay, here's the area that I told you last time that I relocate all my long dragon fruits to this section by the wall. So I build the terraces over here, and it's protected by wall. I painted this wall in white color to I do not get too much heat from the sun, so I thought it's going to be like much better condition. But look what happened during the week. Basically in one weekend I planted, and another weekend it happened. I was completely shocked when I see this condition over here. As you can see over here, I shared with you groups just the weekend after it happened, and I saw, my gosh, it's completely sunburned, all these branches, and it's front facing to the sun, which was almost 8 to 10 hours of sun during the day. And look how fast they were damaged within the first week. Even see they already losing the front side, so may have to carefully cut. So what I did, I immediately run to my storage and try to save them as soon as possible. So basically I had my container which we left over after Charles Malky came in, and we did the trimming of avocado tree, as you can see over here. So, and I have left much more material that I need to cover it, and basically that's the can that I used. Mix it immediately with the water. It's a protection from sunburn, the powder, and it actually has some oil for the insects, but majority for me was really important to apply this sunburn material, to prevent from sunburn. And it was very easy to apply with the brush, so I brushed the front of all my dragon fruit immediately, and it did help, I believe so, right away, because the skin didn't go, the burn did not continue. Branches really doing good right now, and it's strong, and water it once a week, but definitely the damage was done, and hopefully I did stop at some point. So then I went to Home Depot and I got this the cover, as you can see above me. So I'll show you the sticker of this cover. So this is, oops, here's the Vigoro shade fabric. Okay, and it's good block sun, and I'm really happy with this one. I had to use actually some tool, the grommet tool, kit to make coils, and I stretch it right away. So this set is like 6 feet by 20 feet long, and it works pretty good, and I believe so that it stopped completely the sunburn. So basically I'm still gonna continue to apply more dragon fruit on this lower aisle. I may have to extend a little bit, one more set like this, or I'm gonna introduce my plants little by little. So basically should never plant dragon fruit which were taking probably 2 to 3 hours of sun, immediately transfer them to 8 hours of sun. So it has to be slow relocation, maybe behind some trees, behind some shade, but the containers has to be moved very slow to introduce, maybe week by week, and then you can plant on the full sun. So that's mistake I did in solution applied, and I do believe, you know, it will help you guys as well to prevent mistakes, you know, that I did. And basically lesson learned. Of course, you know, this one would cost me like probably $30 plus the rings, plus those you know, bungee cord that I need to apply to stretch it out, work and labor. And definitely I'm glad that I was able to save, at least, you know, for big plants that I was counting on to flower this summer. So here we go. Wish you all the best. Stay safe. Again, this is Alik, Nature with Alik. Bye bye.